Hi, this is Anil from Learning Lad with a video tutorial on C programming. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to get the geopolitical environmental information in C. So for that purpose, we're going to use a function called localeconv. You can see here, and if you guys want to use this function, then you need to include the locale.h header file, and also I would recommend you to have a look at locale.h header file. Go and open up your my computer and go to the location where you guys have installed divcpp. Mine is in the C drive. Open up that folder and open up the include folder, and then open up the locale.h header file. So here it is. Okay, now in this locale.h header file, I want you guys to have a look at this structure lconv. So these are the members of this structure lconv, and also I have written some of them and their meaning in here, you can see. Okay, now coming to the syntax of this localeconv function. So this function is not going to take any arguments, and it's going to return a structure of type lconv, which I have showed you in the. So this structure is going to contain variety of geopolitical environmental information relating to the way numbers are formatted. So you can see here, it has decimal point, thousand separator, grouping, etc., etc. All these informations are available. Now we're gonna see how we can use this localeconv function, get the information. Okay, now in our main function, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a variable of type struct lconv. This localeconv function is gonna return the address of a structure of type lconv. To store that, we need a pointer. So I'm gonna create a pointer, and I'm gonna say lc. So the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna call that localeconv function. So it's gonna be lc equal to localeconv, and it won't take any arguments. Okay, the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna print out some information from this lc pointer. So that's why I'm gonna use printf function, and I'm gonna write %yes here, and we're gonna refer lc arrow operator and decimal point. So I'm gonna copy that and paste it here. So that's it. Save this work, execute, compile and run. You can see here the decimal point. Okay, so this is it, guys. Similarly, you can get the information of some other members of this structure lconv, and that's it. That's about localeconv function in C. So thank you guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my Facebook page at facebook.com/learninglad, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.